Okay. All right, so it wants us to solve for x. So this is how I do it. Again, if you want to do it a different way, you can. What letters are in the denominator? A and x. So I'm going to multiply each term by ax. Does that make sense? So what is a over x times ax? What is that though? The x's cancel, right? So the x's cancel. What about m times ax over a? The a's cancel, and so what are you left with? And it equals what? C times ax. Because there's nothing in the top. Oh, sorry. Does that make sense? No, 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 no. It's just getting rid of your fraction. Multiplying by the, yeah. That was just the comment. So we want to solve for x. We need both of our x terms on the same side. So which one do you want to move? Right? Okay. It's just c times ax. Yeah. C times ax over 1 is just c ax. There's nothing for it to keep. And then we're going to factor out the x. Does that make sense? And then how do you actually solve for your x? So x equals what? A squared over ca minus here, here. I just subtracted mx from both sides because I wanted to solve for x. And what else is on this side of x? Ca minus. It's like, because you divided by the whole thing. Yes. It's the same kind of thing as you're doing an equation, but now we don't have any numbers, we only have letters. Okay, so that's one way to do it. Another way you can do it, you can make these two one fraction. What would be the common denominator? And what would be the numerator? And then
A through L report to the auditorium. That ninth grader's last name, A through L, they need to report to the auditorium at this time. Thank you.
I think you're supposed to. Okay, y'all stay just for a second. I'll show you this how to do it this way, and then y'all run down. Well, don't throw it. But does that make sense? What I did here, just cross multiplied, and then do you see how it looks similar to that? Well, I mean, whatever. Does that make sense? Like you made one fraction and then you cross multiply. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? So you can set it up like this, or you can set it up like that. Once you get to this step, you're going to do the same thing. Okay? I don't care which way you do it. It really doesn't matter. Any questions so far? Okay, y'all can go ahead and go. We'll continue with y'all 5. They can get it when they come back. So this time we want to solve for m. Same concept, yes. What are you going to multiply each term by? Does that make sense? So what would the first term become? What about the second term? And then what about the last term? Because the a's cancel. Y'all see how that works? Yes. Does that make sense? Okay. So now we're solving for m. So I need to get the m's on both sides, on both of them on the same. All right. Does that make sense? So now what do you have to do? So you have y minus ca. Y'all see how that works? Times m. Yeah, you can do AC. So what does m actually equal? Y'all see how that works? Any questions here? Yeah, they're going to tell you. Yeah, they're going to tell you every time, solve for this variable. Okay? Looking at another one? You think you can do it by yourself? All right, try it. Yeah, there is a number, but for every variable that you have to have the same number equation. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 variables, so we need like 6 equations. Every variable you have, like whenever you solve y equals mx plus b, like you have 2 equations, you have an x and a y. That's how you can solve them. If they throw in another letter, you got to have another equation. Solve for p. You with me so far? Get that? Did you drop off your cake? Any questions on this? No?